Today's lecture, my topic is population explosion. So, the definition of population is the number of people residing in a particular place. India is a country of the highest, most populous country of the world, that acquiring 17.5% of population of the world in 2.5% of land. Uttar Pradesh is a highly densely populated state of India, while Lakshadweep is the least populated but union territory. Now, what are the causes of increase in population? Now, difference first is the difference in the birth rate and death rate. Birth rate is the number of babies born out of 1000, and the death rate is ratio of death per living animals, per living humans. So there is a less difference between them. So population is increasing. Second is infant mortality rate, the number of children who are dying before attaining the age of 6 months, and higher life expectancy rate because due to medical facilities now they are getting proper care and cure. So the infant mortality rate and literacy life expectancy is increasing. Infant mortality decreasing, life expectancy increasing. Illiteracy, because if the people are illiterate, they are not aware about the contraceptives and the need of limited children, so they produce many children, so it created an explosion in the country. So now there is second is the next is superstition of people. Most of the people are indulged in traditional activity or superstition by producing more and more child to get the company of them. That is not so good about our population. Now next is migration. As you know, in the Nepal and Bangladesh area, most of the people are migrating from their country due to lack of proper facilities in their country and recognition. Mainly in the Bangladesh region, the border of Bangladesh, Rohingyas are coming to India and they are getting citizenship of India after attaining some years living in there. So this is also creating a population increase in the country. Now the impacts are first is resources. As you know, the resources are limited in our country, although natural resources like coal, petroleum, water, etc. If the population are increasing, they are consuming more and more water and natural resources and also polluting us. Now the second aspect is pollution, because the area is limited for living and most of the area is covered with forest, around 20-25% area, some area with a river and some area with mountains. The living plain area for people are limited, so they are living in there and creating a pollution. Third is unemployment. As people are increasing but the vacancies and jobs are limited, they will not increase according to people, or increase or slightly increase, not a big change will happen in the job vacancies. So as the population increases, there is fierce competition between the people to get a job. So most of the people are not employed because they are not fighting the competition in the right way to get a proper job. So this is also lacking. Fourth is high cost of living. If a people is living in Delhi or in a wide cities like Jabalpur or etc., the cost of living in Delhi will be high because there are population. Because Delhi is the most populated state, most populated place of our country, or most populated united area of the country with 2 crore of population, while Jabalpur is only 12 lakh of population. This creates a difference in the cost of living, because most of the things there are in increased rate because of lack of availability in there and the fair demand of people of the things. Now, how can we reduce the population explosion? First, the use of contraceptives. There are many contraceptives like condoms and oral pills, vasectomy, tubectomy, covert T. They are useful for protecting us from outside the sperm and getting further fertilized to give a birth. Second is education. As most of the people are educated, they know how to produce the children and how to produce less children so that they will give a lavish life and a life full of amenities to them. Third is NGO and governments, because most of the NGOs raised the slogan of दो बच्चे ही अच्छे and छोटा परिवार सुखी परिवार etc. And governments are also implementing many rules and regulation now, uniform civil codes of having 2 children for each of the community of the India. This is also a major major body statement by government to remove this population explosion in our country, because India is becoming the largest country of the world, defeating China on the race. So it will create a huge impact in the future. But in the present, we are facing problem. But the future will be worst in this situation. धन्यवाद.